Hi there, this is Chelsea from Enterprise. Welcome to today's episode on adding custom fields for SAP B1 users with Enterprise. Now let's take a look at how we can link a custom field to one of your existing fields on SAP B1. So what you will first need to do is to enable synchronization of UDFs while all users are signed out of SAP before you proceed. So this process should only take 30 seconds and then the users can then log back in again. So all you have to do is click on Enable UDF Integration on the right. Just a tip, if your SAP field is not showing, you will need to re-import dictionaries. Now once this is done, you can select the documents that you want to add your custom field on Enterprise and then link it to the corresponding fields in SAP. So scrolling down to the service custom fields, for services, you can also map arrival and departure times from Enterprise to SAP. So this allows you to track when service users carry out their jobs on site when using the Enterprise Service Mobile App. This service calls will then be updated, and this will also sync back into SAP B1 for you. So scrolling down to the delivery custom fields, the same also applies on deliveries. So you can map arrival time as well as departure time from Enterprise to SAP. So this allows you to track your van drivers when they are using the Enterprise Delivery Mobile App. The delivery documents will also be updated, and this will also be synced back onto SAP B1 for you. So for further help, check out our help center at help.enterprise.com or use our support chat to talk to a representative, and where you will get the links to Help Center from there. Thank you for watching.